In this video, we'll be unboxing the Apple Watch SE 3, Apple's budget-friendly smartwatch released in September of 2025. Now, this is very minimal packaging, but if we turn it over to the back, you can see in the small text that the version I have here is the 40mm Apple Watch in Midnight. The SE 3 is also available in gold, as well as a larger 44mm case size. Let's go ahead and open this paper case by pulling the tabs here, and we'll see inside there are two boxes. Above is the watch itself, and below the watch band. Let's open the watch band box. Inside, we see the black silicone watch band, as well as instructions written on the inside of the box. I'll remove the band from the packaging. You can see it's a simple black silicone watch band. Next, let's open the main box with the watch. And inside we see the Apple Watch on the left. On the right side here is the charging cable. Let's open this. The cable is a white USB-C braided cable that connects magnetically to the back of the Apple Watch. Finally, let's go ahead and remove the wrapping from the Apple Watch. And here is the Apple Watch. You can see on the back the various sensors like heart rate, and on the side the digital crown and button. Let's go ahead and take the watch band apart here and attach it to the watch body. Let's first slide the top band into place, and finally the bottom piece as well. And here is the fully assembled Apple Watch SE 3. We can turn on the watch by pressing the button on the side here, and now it's booting up. Be sure to subscribe. In an upcoming video, I'll go over step by step how to set up and pair the Apple Watch SE 3 with your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.